Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about the types of plan and the short range and long range of planning. Now we will discuss the different types of plan. Here are the different type of plan. First of all, purpose. What are the purpose for making a plan? Then objective, strategy, policies. Policies may be major or minor. Then procedures, rule, programs, and lastly budget. But apart from this, here are some important topics which you have discussed in detail, like strategy, rules, budget, policy. So let's start the strategy. What is strategy? Strategy refers to the plan of action for achieving specific business goals in the competitive environment, or we can say determining long-term objectives, adopting a particular course of action, or we can say allotting resources necessary to achieve the objectives. Okay, now the next, policy. Policy are general statements which guide thinking energies towards a particular direction. Policy act as a guide to take decision in unexpected situation. Next one is rule. Rules refers to rigid instruction which strictly inform what is to be done and what must not to be done. As for example, if the rule of the firm is no smoking in the factory, but if any employee violate this rule or may disobey this rule, strict actions can be taken against him. And the lastly, budget. Budget is one of the type of planning and it is also important. A budget is a statement of unexpected result expressed in numerical terms. So it is an important tool of managerial control. Now we will discuss about the short term and the long term planning. So let's start from short term. The planning which is made for a period of 1 year or less than 1 year is called a short range of planning, or we call short term planning. Why it is made for? Means short term planning is made with the daily activities of organization. Such type of planning is made for getting expected result in near future. Production budget, sales budget, cash budget, etc. are example of short range planning. Now come to long term planning, long range planning. So the planning which is made for period of more than 5 years is called long range planning. Long period is very uncertain. So long range planning is very risky. Policy, example, goods once sold cannot be taken back. Now method, example, which method? Method of charging depreciation. Now rules, no smoking or anything are long range planning. Short range plans means meet a particular objective in the near future, cover a limited area of training, answer the questions, are we doing things right, should fit well within and contribute to long range plans. Some examples are here. Plans for basic training session for new leaders who have just been recruited. Plan for a Den Chief training conference. And lastly, plans for training roundtable staff members. Long range plans cover a long time, means more than 5 years, may include a variety of different types of training. As for example, an annual plan including fast start and basic training, makeup training session, day chief training session, regular monthly roundtables, supplemental training, personal coaching, self-study. Now the difference between the short range planning and the long range planning. We can differentiate by the following points like duration. In short range, the duration is less. In long range, the duration is more, like more than 5 years. Degree of risk means in short range, the degree in the risk is less, but in long range, the risk is more. Basis of formulations means in short range, formulated on the basis of nature on the daily business activities, but in long range, formulated on the basis of a certain event of remote future. Frequency, the difference points is frequency. Such planning, but in short range, such planning is requiring in nature because it is formulated repeatedly. Now in long range, such planning is non-recurring in nature because it is formulated not repeatedly. Examples examples of short range: production budget, sell budget, cash budget, etc. are example of short range business or planning. But in long range planning, policy, method, rules, capital, budgeting, etc. are example of long range planning.